Hello friends, I'm going to explain my project under the title Intelligent Keyword Using Binary Vector in Cloud Storage System. We are grateful to our HOD, Mrs. C. Chandravati, and we are thankful to our project guide, Ms. R. Anto-Rose. And our project team members are G. Kirtana, myself S. Vinita, and M. Kavipriya. Moving on to the next slide. Objectives of our project is individual page updation, update the particular modified page, coordinate matching combined with the inner product similarity. Here our domain is a cloud. The only aim of the project is retrieving the document through the cloud in a secure and a protected manner. Here coordinate matching is the concept which is used to once a person gives a query but like giving a document name for search, that word is matched with every other document and the equal similarity word is arranged and sorted out for the user. Next is document is associated with a binary vector. The search keyword is also a binary vector, but is given as a query vector for document name. The inner products computation is a combination of MRSE scheme. MRSE scheme is nothing but multi-keyword ranked search over encrypted data. This MRSE scheme displays the output or the document for the user in a ranked manner. The existing system is very simple document based search. This existing system allows the user only by searching the document by name. Next is ranked keyword search. The ranked keyword search is the document is displayed to the user in a ranked manner. Here moving and maintaining the document becomes tougher because large amount of pages or a bigger amount of documents are not allowed to search easily. No options of hash table, clear process flow, because here the document once stored cannot be stored in a hash table. Here it is a file system which stored and it is not in a sorted manner. It uses a rank search encryption for security. Demerits are no semantic based retrieval. Semantic is there is no similarity searches. For example, if a person searches for a word source, there is no other word which is related to source. It is not displayed in this method, but whereas in a proposed system it is displayed. No efficiency keyword indexing and multi-attribute searching. Multiple option key updates is not available. Here updates are mentioned as if a person or who's the user of the document has changed the key has been intimated through a WhatsApp message or SMS, but in existing system this process is not allowed. Algorithm of existing system is ranked searchable encryption. In our proposed system, we are introduced 5 efficiency, that is 5 advantages. Storage efficiency. The storage efficiency allows the person to give the document or store the document in a binary large object manner. Here every document is stored in a binary objects, whereas in existing system it is stored as in a file system, which is a major disadvantage. Access efficiency. Access efficiency allows the user to access the document and index them through hashing technique. Process efficiency allows the user to has a clean process flow, and maintaining and managing of document is easy. Technology efficiency is what? WhatsApp and SMS intimation of key changing. Intelligent efficiency is where the semantic network is used. Algorithm proposed is B-tree searchable MD5 encryption. B-tree is a balanced and sequential tree, so hence it is used. MD5 is a message digest file encryption for security. Keyword based multi-matching. Here matching is the key concept. After reading the data from the B-tree, the data will be stored in the format of MD5 encryption data. For retrieving the data, B-tree is used. For encrypting the data, MD5 is used. It is a top-down keyword parsing technique. This is a small ideology of our project. The exact architecture is on next slide. This is the exact architecture. This architecture can be explained along with the modules. These are the requirements of our project. Software requirements: platform .NET, VS 2010, .NET Framework 4.0, database SQL Server 2008 R2, in hardware processor Core 2 Dual, speed 2.2 GHz, RAM 2 GB, hard disk 160 GB. There are totally 6 modules in a project: user authentication, name search, stop word removal, multi-keyword search, individual page updation, and priority based search. In our first module, as usual, it is user authentication. The user has to register himself for logging in. After the registration process, it checks whether the user is an authenticated user or the unauthenticated user. And once authenticator is allowed to search through name and password. Once a name and password is matches, he is allowed to search. Once it is not matched, the login data produces errors or restricts in the authentication. This is a small diagram which explains about the authentication process. The user searches by the user name and password, and that database checks for and allows the user for authentication. Next, this is a screenshot of the first module where the user first logins through registration. This is the login page where name and password is given and login. And after login, the person performs uploading or downloading or any searching of any document operations. Next module is name search module. Name search module is nothing but once the verification has been done and approved, he or him are allowed to search the document by name or any content or any date wise. And then the particular document which is searched, it is sorted in a particular manner. Output is based on name search only. Count by search is not allowed. Here, count by search is not allowed because a person cannot enter a name by just guessing it randomly. This is a small diagram which explains ideology. Users searching this document by name, and that database is retrieved and the user gets his document. This is a screenshot. Again, the user have to log in and searches the document through. In this screenshot, the user searches the document through date, and that document is displayed here. The next module is stop word removal. Stop word is nothing but eliminating the frequent use of unwanted words like is, at, the, of. These words are unnecessary words for a document, so the exact keyword is searched. Here document is based on name and contents. And once the stop word is doing, it is sorted out. Here stemming technique is also introduced. Stemming technique is nothing but finding the root words. For example, consider engineer, engineers, engineering. Here root word is engineer, so that word is taken as a keyword and that word is searched. Here this is a small diagram which explains about the ideology of this module, where user searches by name and the document is filtered out by stop word list stemming technique from the database, and the user gets a document. This is a screenshot once after getting the document. Module 4 is multi-keyword search. A person is allowed to search by giving multi-keywords. That person can give more number of words for searching. Removal of words here, so all the multi-keywords once searched, it is sorted out. This method is sorted out through priority basis. Multi-keyword ranked search over encrypted data scheme, that is the MRSC scheme, is used here for ranking the document, and that ranked document is it is displayed for the user in the user screen in a priority basis. Here this is a small diagram which explains about the module 4. Here user searches by name and that document is filtered by stop word list stemming technique and multi keywords concept MRSC scheme, and it is given to the user through from the database. This is a screenshot where the internal process taken, and again the person can get the document. This is the 5th module, individual page updation. Here once a person gets the document as various pages as output, the person is allowed to search, sort and modify. The modification can be done by downloading a document, then editing and storing and again uploading into the document as a document accessor. Here this modification, once after the modification is done, it is saved as a checksum technique. Checksum technique is nothing but having a duplicate or replication. Here checks and gives a priority along for sorting of the document. The user searches the in this diagram, the user searches the document by name. The document is filtered out by stop word list, stemming technique, and the MRC scheme is introduced. Checksum values is added for the multi-keyword concept, and finally the document is uploaded by the user. This is a screenshot of a user again logging in, and that person gets the approval of a person who have uploaded that particular document, and again submits approval, and approval is rejected or approved by that owner of that document. And again he has to log in as back as a requested user, and once a person logins as a requested user, the person again he has to post the password of that approval password for downloading the document, and can download and view the document and upload. Here the module 6 is the priority based search. Once the output is produced in a large number of contents, it is first analyzed and prioritized is given to a huge document. Prioritized pages are used because to reduce the cost. This particular module improves the performance as well as encourages to reduce the cost. This is a small explanation of the diagram. User searches the document by name. Here after stop word and stemming technique is done, MRC scheme is introduced, then checksum value of modification, and once the pages is updated, the updated pages are arranged in a priority wise manner, then the user gets his document finally. This is a simple screenshot of the person getting the document in a prioritized way, and this is a table which shows the frequent words which are used. And the conclusion of our project is storing data in a cloud more securely. This section includes various tests connected on data stored in cloud, and these tests are connected on the basis of various parameters. Due to loss and damage of data transmission, we proposed a technique for transforming the image or video from source to destination without any loss of data and leakage of data. Thank you. These are the references.